were you like as a teenager?
Cute, young, shy.
Do you want to be a teen again?
Just for the skin.
Shall we take a look at the eye cream?
Yeah, sure.
Well, it's really cute.
Yeah, the packaging is really cute. And the color as well.
So that's a very unique bottle shape.
Yeah.
So inside the eye cream is peptide and retinol to give you that youthful glow.
That's interesting, the ad. Have you seen the ad?
I've never seen
Yeah,
any.
me too. What is it? Oh, it's really...
Well,
It's metal.
yeah, so if you look at this top part, it is a perfect applicator for right underneath your under eye. So it perfectly matches the shape so you can comfortably apply it.
Oh.
You know, it's the same shape as your finger, but you know, I don't wash this thing. So sometimes, you know, you don't want to get eye cream all over your...
Okay, I understand.
So it feels a lot more comfortable and safer just to use this applicator.
But I will say, I think the fact is the metal is really cold, so it's refreshing at the same time when you apply the product under your eyes.
Yeah.
So actually, it's really pleasant.
It feels like a cold pack that you put under your eyes if it's swelling. So it's actually a lot more firm than I thought it would be.
A lot of peptides and retinol.
And very smooth too. Gently making little movements out all around the thin skin over here. But it's very comfortable. It does feel like very much a self-care day. Feels like I'm 17 again. And now that we're all done applying the cream, it's time for the serum. So the serum is also made with peptide and retinol, and it's made to lock in the moisturizer that we already put in using the cream. One thing I noticed is that unlike most serums, this isn't just like a watery substance. It feels like a gel. If you look right here, it's like a thick water. Is how I can put it. Can we want to give it a go?
Oh, you sure?
Saying goodbye to crow's feet.
Again, the same smell of rose.
It's building up the elasticity in the skin underneath my eye. If you use this regularly, you know, keep up your daily routine. Do you want to go back to your teenage skin? We'll look into getting teen again, and I'll see you in math class.
Let's go!